Yes guys, daily vlogs with Videsh, and I actually ordered food today from one of my friend, Cleon. Trying to just give one of his friend some sales, and I'm super excited for this meal. I don't think it's anything that fancy. I can't remember exactly what it is, but the meal was $55. So we have a lunch here. They put the lentil one side in a cup, and it came with a juice. I took an orange juice. So let me open up this and see how this food looking. Super excited. This is the meal, guys. Let me check out the lentil. It's smelling really good. If I can see the lentil there, the way it fall. Top of land. Without some big lentils. So it's actually some jerk chicken. So guys, in the video, you guys tell me if this worth it. $55. This, and a couple lentils to add on top of the food. You all be the judge. So this is the meal, guys. It's actually boiled and fried cassava, jerk chicken, and salad. Check it out. I got a thumbnail. So let me see if they give me a fork. And they didn't give me no fork. Oh my god, I lost that point right there. How am I getting no fork, boy? Oh god, tell me I have a fork in my. Oh god, I hope I have a fork in my jaw. Oh my god. How are we doing this, guys? I don't have a fork, I'm too lazy. So go and get a fork. Let me check on my partner that's there. I'm gonna pause for a sec. Sorry about that, guys. I ended up finding a spoon. So let me taste the boiled and fried cassava by itself. It's plenty cassava, real cassava. Let me taste it. I'm so happy. Some nice cassava instead of the rice. Cassava over nice, but a nice salt, it's a little butter. Some really good cassava. I'm gonna try the cassava with lentil. Cassava and lentil, and I don't think I have already. I don't cook cassava and lentil, but let me see. This lentil real busting, but wow. I isn't busting no much. Everything they eat nice, just say busting. And then you put this in. Really nice and honey. But back to this food, they have a nice one. I think the main thing at that. The only main thing is the jerk chicken. It's looking like the traditional jerk chicken. Maybe that's salad. So guys, I don't know what kind of jerk chicken is this. Normally when you jerk chicken, you know, you're expecting some people just barbecue it. I really don't know. I don't know if it's baked or it's steamed with some jerk seasoning. I really don't know. It's smelling really nice. It's smelling like homemade jerk seasoning. What I gotta tell you is nice local chicken. nice. And more tastes like a kind of steamed down jerk chicken, I think. But with this food, I really enjoy this meal, but I feel like eating a little bit of healthy lentil. It's good. I get this food as solid. I would say a solid. It's a real solid 8.5 out of 10. It's very good for the for the change, guys. I mean, if you're into this kind of food, and I guess you want somebody to cater this type of food, I can always post him on one flyer in the end, because he did send me a flyer. So I saw she do catering, and she actually delivered this for us. So I guess if you're around between Korea and San around that district, she maybe could also deliver you too. So I think I'll post a flyer in the end then. So it's a big box of food. I don't want to put all the lentils and not to mess it up and stuff. I get a juice with it. That's sorrel and orange, and grapefruit, but I took orange. Most likely homemade juice. You can see the color. Perfect. Little bitters in it, man. Some nice bitters. Well, you chicken this thing. Tastes like a nice little healthy jerk version. Right. I will end up this quick little episode of Daily Vlogs. This is the woman fly right here. Voila, why not? Village approved, 100% approved. It's over nice. Just for the spoon incident. And I don't think it's her fault. I think Theon took my spoon. I'm out. Bye bye.